Hello trader, this is an updated analysis on XAUUSD. Let's see what kind of trading opportunity currently we have in this instrument. Now, lower time frame, we can see that this instrument currently showing significant trading opportunity. Now, before we discuss how we can trade, first let's quickly look at monthly chart again to see how the market is doing now. As expected, we can see that XAUUSD in fact has dropped to the monthly support level as per our previous analysis. So we can see that the market currently in a strong downtrend as we are almost nearly to the monthly close. Let's see where we can expect this price action to be settled for the monthly perspective. Now, from the weekly, as expected, we can see the market, in fact, has dropped to that weekly support level where there is a high liquidity. If you haven't watched the previous analysis, I would encourage you to do so to see that how the market currently doing now. At the moment, we can see the price is just below the weekly low, which in fact we might see after initial pullback further downside. And as it is still in a bearish move, lower time frame, we still can expect downtrending market structure. Now, dropping down to the daily chart, we can see that from this resistance line there is a daily drop. This is a massive drop from the daily perspective, a daily bearish engulfer followed by daily doji, followed by another daily bearish candle. Now, today's price action as well, from this resistance line we can see the price in fact has broken below, and we can expect for this market to remain bearish, as we can see that it is in fact currently still bearish. But at the same time, we can see the market is approaching a very important weekly support level as well as the daily support. And if we closely look at it, we can see that also there is another daily liquidity zone. This is a very important daily support where there is a high liquidity. The market made it bounce from this daily support level, followed by we can see the price again approaching that level. And what I think that we might see the price could try to grab liquidity from that zone before moving back up again to the major direction of the trend. And if we look at the monthly perspective, also this is a significant monthly level. And if we look at the monthly resistance here, we can see that this is the resistance here, which is turning support, and expecting XAUUSD to have another bounce towards the upside from that level. Now let's look at the 1 hour chart, how the market is evolving to see potential movement in this market. Now, lower time frame price action, we can see that this is the 1 hour price action. There is a massive drop here followed by this pullback, another drop, pullback. The market is forming series of lower high in that area from the 1 hour perspective on XAUUSD. And what we can expect for this market, as you can see, there is a 1 hour massive pin bar with a stronger liquidity gap has dropped to that level. And also if we look at the daily price action here, this is the daily resistance for today so far. And what I think that we might see now, initial pullback and another potential drop towards the downside. So this is high liquidity zone. This is also an important swing high here from the 1 hour perspective. Either this level could be retested, as we can see the market now bouncing to the upside. In any of this zone, we will be waiting for a strong rejection. As soon as we find suitable price action confirmation from those liquidity zone, we will be selling XAUUSD with a high probability setup for this potential drop towards the downside. Traders, I hope that you enjoyed this free education and analysis. If you enjoyed, make sure you give a thumbs up and also subscribe to the channel if you haven't done yet. Thank you, and I'll see you soon in my next analysis.